Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix the E305 error code on your Bosch oven. But first, what does the E305 error code mean? The E305 error code on a Bosch oven indicates that there is a loss of connection between the base plates. The connection loss affects the communication between the TCM, thermal control module, and the user interface, or the TCM and the control module. The following are some of the common causes of the E305 error code: system glitches, door closure issues, moisture. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the E305 error code. Power reset. Sometimes system bugs or power fluctuations can trigger software glitches. These glitches can then trigger false warnings like the E305 error code. To rectify this, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait for about 10 minutes before plugging the oven back in and restarting. This allows the oven to discharge any residual power and reset. If the issue persists, try unplugging the oven for 24 hours to get rid of more stubborn glitches. Check for door issues. Faults with your oven's door can also trigger the E305 error code. The door may not close correctly, disrupting the oven's normal operation. To remedy this, inspect the door latch and ensure it is working correctly. If there are any obstructions, such as food particles or debris, clean them with a brush. Also, inspect the door hinges for any damages. Ensure they are not bent, as this would likely lead to misalignment. If there are any bends, try adjusting them so the door fits snugly against the oven's body. If the damages are severe or technical, you will need the help of a technician. Dry out components. The oven is designed with seals and ventilation, so moisture cannot enter electrical component compartments. Unfortunately, moisture sometimes finds its way, causing malfunctions. Inspect seals for any damage that could allow moisture into electrical components and replace any damaged seals. Leave the oven door open to let moisture escape before powering it on. Also, unscrew the oven to open its cavity and check for signs of moisture damage. Before doing this, ensure the oven is unplugged from the power source for safety reasons. While at it, inspect wires for damages like fraying, which can trigger the E305 error code. Any damaged wires need to be replaced. Also, ensure all connections are secure. If you find any components damaged by moisture, they should be replaced. After all this troubleshooting, put the oven back together, power it on, and check if the warning resets. If the issue persists, please seek help from a professional technician. Other possible causes, such as a faulty control board, are too technical and require skilled assistance. Thanks for watching.